All right, so this is what comes in the box. You get 2 of these, as you can see, and this rotates, and then you can tighten it down here to whatever position you want to have it in, right? I believe that's the off and on button there. And these also rotate, so you can point them at different directions. Your solar cell is on top, so the battery must be inside here. I'm not sure if I can get to the battery, if there's a way to open this up, if you need it to change it, but it doesn't look like it. That's the sensor there. And like I said, you can have these folded different ways, depending on how you, let's say you want it to have light all the way around and down. You could do it that way, or you could do it this way, you know. Got a million different variations. Those are the anchors and the screws. And here's the little brackets that will go on. And those brackets, of course, slide right on here like this. So then when you attach it to the wall, bam, there you go. It's just like that. That's it. It also comes, of course, with these handy dandy directions, which is probably a good idea to read them, especially where it says here, based on mode 3, press the power button again and the LED sensor wall light power off. All right, so the translation is always a little off because these do come from Japan, from China. The default mode of the product is off mode. Press the back button to adjust modes when using the light. All right, so if you press it once, you're going to be in mode 1. If you press it twice, you're in mode 2. If you press it 3 times, you're in mode 3. So that's how it works. All right, we got to try it out, see if we like it. So basically, I'm just going to screw 2 screws right here, right on that fence, and then we'll slip our light right in there. It should be pretty easy. So I think we just need the 2 screws. We just got to screw that baby in there. You got to make sure you screw it this way because it slides in, otherwise it would just fall out. So, you know, this part up. All right, so we got to drill some holes here. So, shall we put it right here? There's one. Two. All right, so that should be good. Put the first one in and we should be good. Then we get it in a little hole. There we go. All right. All right, there we go. Yeah, just gotta put our other one in. And we'll be able to put our light in. There we go. All right, let's get this last one in here. And done. Now we can slide our light in. All right, so that's gonna slide right in there, just like this. You can see it. That's it there. It just slides in. See? Yeah, that's it. It's done. I gotta reach behind her and press that little button. So you press it twice, it does 2 mode, double mode. Press it 3 times, 3rd mode. Let's just press it once. Okay, we're gonna go single mode. And then we're gonna slide it right in there. Bam. There it is, done. And now we just gotta let it charge. And then we'll come and check it out tonight. All right, let's see if my new thing works. Oh, look at it. Woo, it's bright. Look at that. Huh? That works great. That thing works perfect. I like it. All right. I think it's going to be a good addition to our security. All right, if you like this video, subscribe to my channel. Check out my other awesome videos where I show you stuff like that. Peace out.